Hello everybody, today we'll be making Earth Day cards in support for a better world for all. If you would like to make these beautiful cards, keep watching. Here are the materials you'll need: construction paper, pencil, crayons, and markers, glue guns, glue sticks, and any decorations of your choice. Step 1. Grab the construction paper and fold it in half. Step 2. Write a title of your choice. Happy Earth Day! Let's save our Earth. Celebrating Earth Day. Step 3. Add decorations of your choice, of what nature looks like to you. Here are some examples of what nature looks like to me. If you desire, grab some real nature from outside to decorate your card with. Step 4. Write a message inside that inspires you or others about nature. Let us come together to make our planet greener and healthier on this Earth Day. Go green and make our Earth a beautiful place to live. Keep our Earth green and clean. Step 5. Share your wonderful cards to your loved ones and spread the message of #EarthDay. Here are all the finished products. I hope your cards turned out even better than ours. Bye. Thanks for watching.